Welcome to a modern cooking oil manufacturing facility where large-scale industrial systems, advanced automation, and skilled professionals work together to produce the cooking oil used in homes around the world every single day. The story of cooking oil begins far away from the factory floor, in wide agricultural regions where oil-rich crops such as sunflower, soybean, and canola are grown under carefully managed farming conditions. Farmers monitor soil quality, irrigation, and weather patterns to ensure that these seeds develop high oil content and strong nutritional value. Once the crops reach maturity, harvesting machines collect the seeds efficiently, preparing them for transportation to processing facilities. After harvesting, the seeds are loaded into sealed transport trucks designed to protect them from moisture, heat, and contamination during their journey. When the trucks arrive at the factory, each delivery is logged into the system, weighed, and inspected by quality control teams before unloading begins. Samples from every shipment are tested to confirm purity, moisture levels, and compliance with safety standards. Approved seeds are unloaded and transferred into massive storage silos, where temperature and humidity are carefully controlled to preserve freshness. Before oil extraction begins, the seeds go through multiple cleaning stages that remove dust, stones, metal fragments, and other foreign materials. This cleaning process is essential not only for oil purity but also to protect the sensitive machinery used throughout production. Once cleaned, the seeds move along automated conveyor belts toward the crushing section of the factory. Powerful crushing rollers gently break the hard outer shells of the seeds, exposing the oil-rich interior without damaging the oil itself. Crushed seeds are then flattened into thin flakes, increasing surface area and allowing oil to be released more efficiently. These flakes are slowly heated in large industrial conditioning units, a step that softens the oil cells and prepares them for extraction. Temperature control during this stage is critical, as too much heat can reduce nutritional quality, while too little heat lowers oil yield. From the conditioners, the prepared flakes are fed into heavy-duty mechanical presses. Inside these presses, immense pressure squeezes the oil out of the seed material, separating liquid oil from solid residue. As the process continues, streams of golden crude oil begin to flow steadily from the presses. The remaining solid material, known as press cake, is collected separately and later reused as animal feed, supporting sustainable production practices. The freshly extracted oil is transferred through sealed stainless steel pipelines to prevent oxidation and contamination. At this stage, the oil still contains natural impurities, odors, and free fatty acids that must be removed through refining. The oil first passes through filtration systems that remove fine solid particles, improving clarity and smoothness. Next, the oil enters neutralization tanks, where unwanted fatty acids are carefully removed to enhance taste and extend shelf life. Following neutralization, the oil is sent to deodorization towers, where controlled steam gently removes strong natural odors. Throughout the refining process, laboratory technicians regularly collect oil samples for detailed testing. These tests confirm safety, color consistency, flavor neutrality, and compliance with international food standards. Only oil that meets all quality requirements is approved to continue through the production line. Once refining is complete, the crystal-clear oil flows toward the automated bottling section of the factory. Empty bottles are fed onto high-speed conveyor systems, where they are cleaned, aligned, and prepared for filling. Filling nozzles dispense exact quantities of oil into each bottle, ensuring consistency and minimizing waste. Immediately after filling, automated capping machines seal each bottle tightly to preserve freshness and prevent leaks. Labeling systems apply branded labels with perfect alignment, displaying product information clearly and professionally. High-speed inspection cameras scan every bottle, checking fill levels, cap security, and label placement. In addition to automated checks, trained quality inspectors manually examine random samples for added assurance. Approved bottles then move into shrink-wrapping machines, where heat-sealed plastic securely groups them together for transportation. Robotic arms stack the wrapped cartons neatly onto pallets, ensuring stability and efficient use of space. Forklifts transport these pallets into large warehouse areas, where products are stored under controlled conditions. Each pallet is digitally tracked using barcode systems, allowing full traceability from factory to market. When distribution orders are received, pallets are moved from storage to loading docks in a carefully coordinated process. Large delivery trucks are loaded systematically, preparing the cooking oil for regional and international shipment. From the factory, the product travels through supply chains to wholesalers, supermarkets, and retail stores. On store shelves, customers select these bottles with confidence, trusting the quality and safety behind each brand. In home kitchens, the oil is poured into pans and pots, becoming part of daily meals and family traditions.
Pure, refined cooking oil ensures consistent cooking performance, reliable taste, and dependable nutrition.
Behind every drop of oil lies a complex system involving agriculture, engineering, science, and human expertise. Strict safety regulations and quality controls guide every step of the process from start to finish. Modern cooking oil factories also focus on sustainability, reducing waste, conserving energy, and reusing valuable byproducts. Many facilities integrate renewable energy systems and environmentally responsible technologies into their operations. Day and night, production continues to meet the growing global demand for edible oils. Skilled technicians monitor machinery, digital systems, and production data to ensure smooth and uninterrupted operation. Every worker, machine, and process plays a vital role in maintaining consistency, efficiency, and quality. From raw agricultural seeds to refined, packaged oil, each stage is carefully managed and optimized. This seamless coordination ensures that safe, high-quality cooking oil reaches millions of households worldwide. That is how cooking oil is produced in today's modern factories. Subscribe for more factory tours, industrial processes, and modern manufacturing stories.